Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to add Printify to Etsy. The first step you need to take is to create a Printify account. If you don't know how to do this, I'm going to show you how. First, you need to visit the Printify website and sign up for an account. Then fill out the registration form by entering your email address, password, and other required information. Next, verify your email address by checking your email box for a verification email from Printify and click on Verify. So once you've done that, the next step you need to take is to connect Printify to Etsy. So you need to log into your Etsy account in the Etsy website. Then go to your Etsy shop. Click on the shop name to access the shop's dashboard. Then click on Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, choose Integrations from the Settings menu. Next, search for Printify by typing Printify in the search bar and select the Printify integration. Next, click on Connect to authorize the connection between Printify and Etsy. Then you go to step 3, which is set up Printify product. You need to create a new product by going to Etsy shop dashboard and click on Add a new listing. Next, you select physical product type. So choose physical as a product type. Next, you have to enter the product title, description, price, and other required details. Next thing you need to do is in the variation section, click on Connect Printify products and select the corresponding Printify product. Step 4, configure Printify settings. Next, you have to log into your Printify account and go to the settings page. Then you set up your store's currency, time zone, and other preferences. And once you're through, you ensure your Etsy shop is connected to Printify. Step 5 is to test your integration. Place a test order for your Printify products. Then check your Printify account to ensure the order was received correctly. Before we go, let me give you an important notice. Make sure that you have a verified Etsy shop and a Printify account. And note that Printify's integration with Etsy requires a paid subscription to Printify services. Always review Printify's terms and conditions as well as Etsy policies to ensure compliance.